Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to explain the TikTok dance of Push to Start by TYLA. And don't worry because this tutorial is mirrored, so feel free to follow me. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more dance tutorials. So if you're ready, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we start by looking to the left and then taking 2 steps back. So it will be left leg, right leg, left leg, right leg. And in the meantime, we move our chest inwards. So in the first step, we move it, but in the second step, we don't. So for the hands, while we're still looking to the left, we show the palm of our right hand and push it forward 4 times. And the left arm doesn't really matter, so we can leave the left arm as we want. So let's repeat from the beginning. It will be 1, 2, and then 3, 4. On 3 and 4, we move our head back and then to the front. While doing so, we place our right hand over our eyes. And then we flick our hand. So it will be look back and look front and flick. So from the beginning, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. And the next 4 counts are going to be 5, 6, 7, 8. We only take 1 step forward and 1 step back. So it's right, left, left, right. While we move our hips in circles 4 times. And don't forget to cross your arms while doing so. Now let's repeat everything from the beginning so we don't forget. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we continue by facing forward and putting all our weight on the left leg while bending the right leg a little bit. And we will be doing this 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. First, we place our hands at the side of our mouth. Then we cross our arms and later place them on either sides of our body. So let's repeat 1 and 2. Then 3, 4. On 3 and 4, we make 2 waves with our right hand. All together from the first count, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we raise our right arm, placing it close to our head, and then we raise our left arm, placing it next to our right arm. And we put our hands in the shape of a fist. Okay, so after that, we stretch our right arm outward, and after stretching it, we put it back to the position it was in before. Okay, so now let's repeat everything from the first count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. On 7 and 8, we put our hands in a fist on each side of our chest and then lower them on each side of our hips. And as we do this, on 7, we stick out our chest, and then on 8, we bend our knees with our left leg in front. So it's 7, 8. Now let's repeat from the first count so we don't forget. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Okay, so that was great. Now let's start. Let's repeat from the beginning, from the pushing on my buttons with no hesitation part. Okay, so let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Now for the last 8 counts, we stretch our arms and move them in a circle forward from left to right, while we also move our chest in a circle from left to right. And this is how it looks all together. On 3 and 4, we squat slightly, bending our knees and resting our hands on our legs. And while we do that, we move our hips in a circle. So from the beginning, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we repeat one more time, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.